Have you ever noticed a new spot on your skin and wondered what certain features might mean, especially those tiny red lines or dots? It is natural to feel curious about these changes, and understanding them can be very empowering for your skin health. Skin lesions often show visible blood vessels, medically known as telangiectasias, when they are growing rapidly or are a type of skin cancer. This is particularly common in certain forms of basal cell carcinoma, which is the most frequent type of skin cancer. Spotting these small vessels can be a key indicator that a lesion needs professional attention. The reason these visible blood vessels appear is directly related to the growth process of the lesion. As a skin cancer, for example, grows, it demands an increased supply of nutrients and oxygen to fuel its expansion. To meet this demand, the cancer cells stimulate the formation of new blood vessels, a process called angiogenesis. These newly formed vessels are often quite fragile, irregular, and dilated, making them more visible on the skin's surface compared to the surrounding normal capillaries. They essentially create their own miniature, chaotic plumbing system to support the abnormal growth beneath the skin. If you notice a skin lesion with these visible, fine red lines or a shiny, pearly appearance, it is important to take action. Regularly performing self-skin checks allows you to become familiar with your skin and spot any changes early. When you do find a suspicious spot, especially one with new or changing visible blood vessels, you should schedule an appointment with a dermatologist. They can examine the lesion more closely and determine if further steps, such as a biopsy, are needed. A fascinating detail about these telangiectatic vessels in skin cancers is their often delicate nature, which can cause them to bleed easily even with minimal trauma. This is unlike healthy skin vessels, which are usually more robust. Dermatologists often use a specialized magnifying tool called a dermatoscope to get a clearer, more magnified view of these subtle vascular patterns, helping them distinguish between benign spots and potentially cancerous lesions with greater accuracy. Understanding that visible blood vessels can be a specific sign of certain skin lesions, especially skin cancers, empowers you to be more proactive about your skin health. By staying vigilant and seeking timely medical advice for any concerning changes, you are taking an important step towards early detection and ensuring the best possible outcomes for your skin.